In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on Files. Over here you can hold your file right away, tap on one of those apps, or select those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. Whatever you do, you can also click on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Now hold your file, and last but not least, click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!